Most people don't have a money problem. They have a spending problem. And that's why their money always feels tight. They're doing the right things, just in the wrong sequence. Here's how most people run their money. They get paid, they spend, they cover bills, they try to save what's left. And if nothing's left, they say, I'll try harder next month. That's backwards. There are 3 steps. Protect yourself, pay yourself, then live. In that order. Step 1. Protect yourself and your family first. Your basic bills, your minimum payments, your emergency fund, your insurance. This is your stability layer. If this isn't handled first, everything else feels stressful. Step 2. Pay yourself. This is the fun part, guys. This is your savings and investments. Future you will thank you. And this happens before lifestyle upgrades. Not from scraps, not from leftovers, intentionally. Step 3. Live your life. This is where you lean into your wants. Trips, concerts, sushi dinners, anyone? Upgrades that actually matter to you. But you only get here after steps 1 and 2 are handled. That's the order. Here's what changed for me. Building my emergency fund was a big turning point. Car problems still suck, of course, but they feel a lot less like emergencies because the money is already there. Now, don't get me wrong, okay? It still hurts to spend it, but it would hurt a lot more to not have the money. And then the real shift happened when I automated my savings before touching anything else. Before the spending, before upgrading anything, before seeing what was left. That's when I stopped feeling so behind. Now, I think of savings as buying time, buying peace, buying freedom. Every month, I can see I'm a little closer to that life I want to build. That didn't happen by squeezing small expenses. It happened by changing the order of how I spent my money. Tonight, write down the order your money currently flows in. If your savings aren't automatic, then fix that first. Listen, money feels heavy when it's reactive. It feels steady when you're proactive and have structure in place. Protect yourself first, pay yourself second, then live. If you've been doing it backwards, that's all right. Good. Now you can start doing it right.